Do you need a working serverless API on Google Cloud? In this project, we build a fully serverless Notes API using Cloud Functions, Firestore, and Cloud Storage, all provisioned with Terraform and deployed with a single script. Follow along, and in minutes, you'll have a working API running on Google Cloud. Let's walk through the architecture before we build. The user opens a static web page, which is just an HTML file served directly from a public cloud storage bucket. The frontend talks to Cloud Functions over HTTPS. One Python file handles all the routes: post to create, get to list, get by ID, put to update, delete to remove. Backend stores data in Firestore. Each note is a JSON document, and the Cloud Functions read and write directly to it. Go to the GitHub link in the video description, clone the repository, and run the check env script to verify all prerequisites. If you need help setting up Google and Terraform, check out our Google setup video. Once that's done, run the apply script to start the build. The build has completed, so let's head into the console and see what was deployed. The Notes Cloud Functions are deployed. This is the compute layer for the API. The Cloud Functions are implemented in Python, and the HTTP routes are handled directly in the code. Next is Firestore. This is the storage layer for the API. Finally, a public cloud storage bucket hosts a static web application. Navigate to the URL to launch the test application. Open the web app and the browser debugger so we can watch the API calls. When the app loads, it calls the list endpoint. No notes yet. Now let's create a new note by selecting New. A post to the API is made, which returns an ID. The new note is also selected, and the API loads the content. Now let's update the note and select Save. A put call is made, and the updated data is stored in Cosmos DB. Now let's delete the note by selecting Delete. A delete call is made, and the note is removed. In this demo, we've now exercised every API endpoint. Once you've finished evaluating this project, run the destroy script to clean up all resources.